This is the Hoco EW72 earbuds. I want to connect it to my phone. But when I tried to connect, the earbuds device is not showing up on the phone. Let's see how to solve this problem. If your earbuds have stickers, remove them first. Now put the earbuds back in the case. Now turn off your phone's Bluetooth and turn it back on. If the earbuds device still doesn't appear on your phone, reset your earbuds. This is the reset button on the earbud. Now press and hold the reset button for 5 to 8 seconds. This will reset the earbuds. After resetting the earbuds, turn your phone's Bluetooth off and back on again. The Hoco EW72 earbuds device is now visible on the phone. Connect now. Hoco EW72 earbuds are now connected to the phone.